Another knife from the Black Oxide series from LeathermanStore.com is the Leatherman Kick. It includes a small screwdriver, a large screwdriver, knife, Phillips, and a can bottle opener. Has a tap screw on the bottom that you can use for a pocket clip if you don't feel like using the sheath, but the clip is not included. It has pliers, wire crimper, regular pliers, wire cutter, and hard wire cutter. It's low maintenance. And again, we don't recommend engraving on these tools because it will be more subdued and harder to see. You can find the full specs after this presentation, and the ordering details are on LeathermanStore.com.